Is your money safe down under? Or perhaps across the Tasman Sea? Today, we're diving into the world of banking to answer a seemingly simple question: which country uses Westpac? Now, for those unfamiliar, Westpac is a major financial institution. You might have seen their logo, perhaps a stylized W, or heard their name mentioned in financial news. They offer a wide range of services, from everyday transaction accounts and home loans to more complex investment and business banking solutions. They're a significant player in the financial landscape of at least one part of the world, impacting the lives of millions. So, where exactly do they operate? Is it a global giant with branches dotting continents? Or is their reach more concentrated? Let's unravel this. The primary home and the country most associated with Westpac is Australia. Founded in Sydney in 1817 as the Bank of New South Wales, it holds the distinction of being Australia's first bank and one of its big four banks. For over 2 centuries, Westpac has been deeply ingrained in the Australian financial system, playing a crucial role in the nation's economic development and serving generations of Australians. You'll find their branches in bustling city centres, quiet suburban streets, and even in regional towns across the vast Australian continent. Their ATMs are a common sight, and their online and mobile banking platforms are widely used. But Australia isn't the only place you'll find Westpac. Their reach extends across the Tasman Sea to their close neighbour, New Zealand. Westpac has a significant presence in the New Zealand banking sector, operating as Westpac New Zealand. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial products and services tailored to the New Zealand market, competing with other major banks in the country. Just like in Australia, Westpac New Zealand has a long history and a substantial customer base. You'll see their branches and ATMs throughout New Zealand's North and South Islands. So, to answer the initial question directly, the 2 primary countries that use Westpac are Australia and New Zealand. While their core operations are concentrated in these 2 nations, it's worth noting that Westpac has had a broader, albeit smaller, international presence throughout its history. They've had operations in various Pacific Island nations and representative offices in other parts of the world to facilitate international business and trade for their Australian and New Zealand clients. However, their retail and mainstream banking activities are overwhelmingly focused on Australia and New Zealand. Think of it this way: if you're an Australian or a New Zealander, the chances are quite high that you've either banked with Westpac directly or know someone who has. Their influence on the financial well-being of individuals and businesses in these 2 countries is substantial. They are key players in the mortgage market, provide crucial support for businesses of all sizes, and offer everyday banking services that millions rely on. Understanding which countries a major bank operates in gives us valuable insight into the global financial landscape and the interconnectedness of economies. In this case, the strong ties between Australia and New Zealand are reflected in the significant presence of a major Australian bank in the New Zealand market. So, next time you hear the name Westpac, remember its strong roots and widespread presence in both Australia and New Zealand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.